Welcome back to our Swiss travel series. This is West of Anywhere Travel, and here's what's coming up. Today we're stepping back in time into the heart of Switzerland at the incredible Ballenberg Swiss Open Air Museum. Located near Brienz in the Bernese Oberland, it's a living, breathing storybook of Swiss history spread across more than 160 acres of countryside. There are two entrances to the museum. We're entering via the western entrance. Over 100 original historic buildings from all across Switzerland have been carefully dismantled from their original locations and rebuilt here piece by piece. In addition to the buildings, there's a collection of objects comprising of over 45,000 individual items, each item telling its own story of Swiss history and a former way of life. The museum is divided into 13 areas, which stretch all the way back from Jura to the Bernese Midlands and central Switzerland, and onto the East Midlands and Valais. Each area is home to historic buildings specific to the region. Winding paths lead you through forests and open fields, past farmhouse gardens of vegetables and wildflowers. And the museum doesn't just show you buildings, it shows you how people lived. These are real homes, real barns and real workshops, some dating back more than 500 years. Throughout the day, traditional crafts such as basket making, braiding, spinning, weaving and carving are demonstrated daily. These skills that might otherwise disappear are kept alive here, passed down, practiced and shared with visitors from around the world. Around 200 animals spend the summer in the museum, including chickens, pigs, sheep, goats, cows and oxen. There are petting enclosures throughout the museum, giving visitors with children the opportunity to get close to their favourite animals. Plan to spend at least half a day here, maybe even a full day, because the grounds are expansive. We definitely recommend comfortable shoes for your visit. There are around 10 kilometres of walking tracks winding through the site. And if you're visiting in the warmer months, make sure to bring plenty of water and sun protection. There are picnic areas throughout the park and a cafe near the entrance if you want to sample some local Swiss dishes. What makes Ballenberg truly special is how it connects past and present. Switzerland today is known for precision watches, modern cities and efficient trains. But here you see the rural roots, the craftsmanship, the agricultural life, the resilience required to live in mountain landscapes. If you enjoyed this video or have any questions, drop us a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode in our Swiss travel series. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you west of anywhere.